What up, YouTube? It's your boy Siege. We back at it. Y'all back in the lab kicking it with me. I ain't got the squad with me, but I got some really exciting news, man. I mean, it's had me on 10 since I heard it. I might be like one of the falling down the line of people who've talked about it, but yo, for y'all to hear this news and me to hear this news, I've been like riding cloud nine for the past like 2 days since I heard. I wanted to, make sure everything was in its line before I actually said alright, this is what's happening, that's what's happening. But for everybody that's new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's please these algorithm guys, and also hit the like button. We want to spread the word out, and can't spread the word out without you guys liking and subscribing to the channel. So go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe. So y'all know this is just me in the lab today. I ain't got the homies with me. Just know I have a really fire video coming up. Probably gonna drop it on Monday. Yeah, Monday is a good day for drops. So we might drop that next video on Monday. You do not want to miss it. Make sure you have your your post notifications really hype still. Make sure, like I said, you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then have your post notifications on, because you do not want to miss any, and I mean any, of this new stuff coming out. Yeah. So let's go ahead and talk about what we got. So there has been this bill that just got introduced by Senate and House Democrats that is going to ban botting. So for some of y'all might not know what that is. What's he talking about? Banning bots. So I kind of alluded to this in my last video, which is very ironic because maybe a day later or 2 days later is when that bill actually got introduced. But all about it is just a computer program that a lot of sneakerheads or resellers use. They put it in, and what it does is it pushes them to the front of the line when all of these sneaker releases happen. Which, like I was talking about with the Alma Jordan 1s, that's why I was waiting on Sneakers app, because Sneakers app is a little bit more secure, just because of let's just say they had some problems on the top end of Nike/Jordan, which caused them to have to make everything a little bit more secure, make it a little bit harder for everybody to get it, or a little bit harder for bots to get in. So Sneakers was one of the first to kind of do it. It's still kind of hard to get them, but at the same time, we all know that bots aren't getting all of the sneaker raffles. It takes a lot of work to get some sneaker raffles. But at the same time, because they're putting this law into effect, it's gonna make all these shoes do the same thing. So the bill was actually introduced, don't know what the name was, but that they didn't use the specific language of bots for sneakers, but they used it as bots for retail purchases to kind of include that whole PlayStation, Xbox realm, because anybody looking for a PlayStation right now or an Xbox knows around this time you're gonna have to pay about $800 to $1,000 just to be able to get one, just because we're having a real big shortage. It's hard to get anything in stock, and like I said, PlayStations, Xbox, shoes, all of that is the same right now. So they introduced this bill to try and help the people out. Their reasoning behind it is it's going to help small businesses out, because small businesses like me, speaking of small businesses like me, if you haven't got your Kick In merchandise, go ahead and get that now. Hit me up on my IG, same as my YouTube, and I can go ahead and get that out to you before the holidays. That way you can post up in some pics like some of the homies. But like I said, they're doing that to kind of help consumers and small businesses out, because it's kind of hard for with all of them getting botted out and bought up for a family who wants to get their kid that PlayStation 5, it's hard for them to pay $1,000 for that PlayStation 5 and then get the kid games and stuff to play with along with that PlayStation. So put this bill into effect. So now families don't have to choose, like, do I want to spend that grip, or am I just gonna, wait for Walmart to drop one and go grab it? Make it a little easier on y'all, and also make it easier on me as a small business, because I don't know if y'all noticed, but I haven't posted any like dead stock shoes lately. And there's a reason for that. Sneakers app is one, gave me some problems, which I done got on my soapbox about that already. But two, it's incredibly hard to actually just, get shoes. For me, if I wanted to get shoes, I'd have to do a whole camp out process right now just to grab a pair, and then like 3 of the pair I have right now I'm just sitting on. So it helps us out to where we can, kind of move a little bit more product, as well as, like I said, it helps you guys out because y'all don't have to worry about if y'all want to spend $700, $800, $1,000 on some PlayStation 5 and then get something else for your kid. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's the big news that's going on. Also, I don't know if I want to wait till the next video or if I want to just tell y'all now. But I'll go ahead and tell y'all now, there is a raffle coming up. I'm about to do a giveaway. I got the idea from my brother, LJ Raw. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, go ahead and do that now. But me and him both gonna do a giveaway, similar item. I don't know if I want to tell y'all the similar item, but y'all done heard it already. Similar item, so make sure that you're following my IG so that you can keep up with the raffle, or not the raffle, the giveaway. Keep up with the giveaway and know what rules you have to, follow to actually get whatever I'm giving away, or whatever he's giving away, because we're both going to be giving some stuff away. I'm going to let him talk about it a little bit more later, see if I can get him on, but that's all I got for you guys. I wanted to make sure I kept y'all up in the loop on that big, very big sneaker news, because it's about to turn sneaker world upside down. I mean, every sneaker YouTuber I know is like ecstatic and happy because it's gonna kind of put sneakers back to how it used to be, where you didn't have like one person buying up 30 pairs, but you have people who actually like the shoes buying the shoes, you know what I mean? But yeah, so again, I've been Siege, y'all been kicking it with me. I'm hoping I help you guys out a little bit more. Hey, if you're not doing something you like, go ahead and make that change. Hey, take it easy.